protostome I chose was squid. So the common and scientific names for squid, the common is squid, and the scientific is, I'm going to mess this up, but Tevda. The natural habitat of squid is actually pretty diverse and is largely dependent upon the species of squid. Some squids thrive in warm, tropical, light water, while others thrive in the lower temperatures with little light. But the vast majority of squid do prefer to live in salt water, which means that they're mainly found in the major oceans or other large body of waters. So gathering food, squids gather their food through their suckers, which have teeth on them, which you can see in the picture on the screen. And these are located on the feeding tentacles. So squids use these features to gather their prey, bring it towards their beak, in which their beak breaks down the food into smaller pieces, and then brings it to the radula, which is sort of like a tongue-like organ that is covered in teeth as well, which it grinds it down even further before ingesting the food. So the predator-prey relationship. So squid are prey to animals like fish, sharks, seals, sperm whales, and even humans. However, squids are predators to species like fish, crustaceans, plankton, krill, sardines, animals like that. Although some squids will also be the predator and prey to each other because they do display cannibalistic tendencies sometimes. So unique evolved traits. So one trait that some species of squid possess is the ability to blend in with their surroundings. You can see this a lot in like movies or videos where you'll see a squid blend in with the ocean floor to avoid predators. And this is done through the ability to color change. And the second unique evolved trait is that squid have suction cups located on their suckers. So you can see on the picture on the screen where the suction cups are located on the squid's body. And these suckers have teeth-like features called denticles, which help the squid to latch onto wet, slippery, and struggling prey. So I didn't really know what the tree of life was, but I have this tree here, and as you can see, squid is located in between brachiopod and the polychaete leech and earthworms line, meaning it's more closely related to those two species per se, species types, rather than the ones that are further down the line. So importance to the ecosystem and humankind. Squids are very important to the ecosystem because they play a large part in the food webs of oceans worldwide. Most animals are, and squids are no different. So squids are the predators for some fish like tuna, salmon, but are also the prey for species like dolphins, sea lions, whales, and other varieties of seabirds. And squids are important to the humankind because sometimes they hold cultural significance in cultures across the world, but they also hold economic significance because squid are a very popular cuisine, most likely in calamari or sometimes seen in Asian dishes. And these are primarily fished and sourced commercially worldwide, which creates jobs, wages, and boosts the economy. These are the resources that I used, and these are the images that I used.